Hey guys, welcome back to Palette Therapy. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Keela. Hey, if not, thank you for the support. In today's video, I will be bringing you guys another Amazon wig review on this beautiful unit. I hope you guys really like this video. I hope you guys are enjoying these wig installs as well. If you are, please let me know if y'all have some things y'all want me to review or some units y'all want me to check out. Comment down below and let me know as well. I will make sure I have all the details for this unit listed in the description box, so make sure you check that out as well. But first, I need you to go ahead and pause, hit that subscribe button. I post videos every Thursday and you don't want to miss them. Now let's get into this beautiful install. Okay y'all, so I got this beautiful unit from this company. I believe you pronounce the name Dixtefo. It's D-I-X-T-E-F-O. It's a wig company on Amazon. I will have the link listed down below, but this is in the color 99J. It is a straight 20-inch wig. It's true to length, and it is a T part, meaning that you won't be able to change the part, just so you know. It's full. I mean, it's full. You can't see any type of tracks or anything, and I mean, this color is beautiful. So I'm gonna show you guys my process of how I cut my lace. And because I told you guys I like to cut my lace off before I actually lay my wig, so I'm going to show you guys how I cut my lace, the products I use on the inside of the wig as well, to get it ready. I would, you know, flat iron, but I don't think it needs to be flat iron, so I'm probably just going to hot comb the part, and then we're going to install her. So yeah, here we go.
can't see if you're right here next to me. Something's wrong, wasn't it fun? Is it now we're done? You get dressed, I'm like a mess, and you tell me to confess, and you tell me to confess. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, turning to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing without me. You're running fast, never look back. Now we're over, that's a fact. Phasing light, see it all bright. You were never.
Okay, y'all, I am excited to try this unit on. I've never worn this color before. Like, I'm so proud of myself. I'm stepping out of my comfort zone, trying new colors, trying new things, bringing new things to the channel. I hope you guys are enjoying it just as much as I am, because I am excited to try this. I'm excited to, you know, continue to keep bringing you guys budget-friendly Amazon review wigs. Again, like I said, this is a full wig. If you watched the install, you saw the, or not the install, if you, not the install, if you watched the customization before this, then you saw me customize this unit and you saw how full and pretty it is. Again, it's 20 inches. I will have all the details listed down below. I'm thinking I may want some baby hairs with this one, but let's put it on and see what it's looking like first. So normally I would actually use an adhesive to lay this unit down, but since it is technically 2 o'clock in the morning while I'm recording this, I am not going to lay it down. But I do think I want to do some baby hairs. I think this unit deserves baby hairs. I mean, it's a beautiful unit, so let's throw some baby hairs on her. And I'm gonna go in with some more concealer and fix my part, but we're gonna do baby hairs first. And I'm gonna take this hairpin and pin this other hair back.
you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your hand. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you.
Okay, so our baby hairs are looking good. Everything's looking good. I actually like this hair pinned back, so I think I'm going to actually style it like that. I actually really like this pinned back. I like the way it looks pinned back. So we're gonna try to see if we can do that
Keep
same.
wishing you would kiss me under city lights. I know you feel it every time I look at you. How I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your hand. Coming to get you. Coming to get you.
All right, y'all, this is what she is looking like. Okay, so if I've never ever done a wig style before that looked good, baby, she is giving all the vibes. Like I don't even know I was scared to try this hair style out, this hair color out, because she is giving all the vibes. I gotta get this little piece off of here because it's gonna drive me crazy. Boom, there we go. Y'all, go get her. Go buy her. Go buy her. Another Amazon wig right here. Pretty. I mean, she's giving everything she's supposed to give and then a little bit more. Let's go and put that concealer right there on that part and get her all the way right. We're gonna throw a little bit more concealer right here just to blend it all out, make it look all natural. Yeah, I don't know why I ever doubted myself. Alright. Okay. Okay. 5 out of 5. Go get it. Rating 5 out of 5. Go get it. Go get her. She is a must-have. You have to add her to the arsenal. Go get her. Go get her. I will have all the details listed down below for you guys because this is a must buy. Like, don't even question it. Go get it. Go get it. Another Amazon wig right here for you. Go get it. That's all I got to say. Go get it. Okay, guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have not purchased this wig yet and you've come to me for answers, go get it. 5 out of 5. If I could give it 10 out of 5, I would give it 10 out of 5. This unit is beautiful. This is one of the most beautiful wigs I have ever worn. Shout out to this company for sending your girl this unit because this is one of the most beautiful units I have ever worn. I will have the details listed down below for you guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Drop me a red heart if you made it this far. If you like the vibe, go ahead and join the tribe. We're a happy bunch over here and we would love to have you. As always, thank you, tribe, for supporting the videos, supporting my channel. I love you guys. Thank you to my newbies who have just joined as well. I love you guys as well. Welcome to the family. Thanks for watching this video and I will catch you guys in my next one.